Welcome to Module 11. I cannot believe it's November already. We are almost done with the workshop, and I'm really kind of sad because I love doing this and I love telling you so many things, and I'm just kind of sad. But anyway, let's be happy because there's a lot to do. This module, I'm going to show you how to split up different bats and different comb top in different ways to show you how you can take the same comb top or the same bat that is in the same design and spin it in different yarns. Now, when we're talking about bats and changing it up, really you want the ones that are gradients or ombres. You kind of want a bat where the color goes from one side to the other side. These are the best bats to use for this technique. If you have a bat that's pretty homogeneous through the whole thing, you won't have as good a results as if you use a bat that has more of a gradient shading or things like that. So I'm going to use that one, and then I'm also going to use this bat for this module. Now, what I did with how I made these is with the gradient carding class that's in another outside class, and and I did some color mixing and did a gradient, and it's beautiful. So I will show you some really different yarns that we can get from these really cool bats, because they won't all be the same, and you're going to be really surprised in what I do to mix it out, right? Okay, the next thing is we're going to take a comb top. So I dyed some comb tops, and I dyed them pretty much the same except for the end. We're not going to use that. And I'm going to show you how to split these up, spin them, not spin them because you already know how to do that, but how to apply them in different ways to get some really unique yarn. So you can get maybe 2 or 3 or maybe even 4 different yarns from top like this. So if you're buying top that has colored chunks, and you notice that they're pretty, well, except for this part, but they're different along the way, these are going to give you the best results. If you have the ones that are blended with all the different colors and you have to spin from the fold for those ones, not as good as these, but you can still do that. Oh, I think I'll show you how to do that too. And then this is another top I dyed. This is different in the sense there's not a lot of colored chunks, but I'm still going to show you how to spin 2 really different unique yarns from this top. Okay, so we have a lot to do this module. There's going to be a lot of splitting, a lot of spinning, a lot of plying and all that stuff, but I'm going to show you every step of the way, and it's going to open your eyes when you buy a bat or when you buy a comb top and go, oh, I can do that or I can do that, and it's going to turn out like this. So it gives you even more power to control the yarn that you want. So let's get going.